Hi everyone, today I'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite. To know how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite app, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Lite. You will enter here apps. Then you can search about Lite app or Facebook Lite. Then you click on first stop and you click OK. After that we click on storage. Here we click clear cache. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your phone. You can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. And if it's not working with you, then you can go to Play Store. You can search about Facebook Lite and you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.